This three-dimensional kinetic theory model is used to simulate the gas laws and the random motion of gas molecules. In this model, the ball bearings represent gas molecules. The weight of the polystyrene piston represents the pressure of the gas. The height of the piston represents the volume of the gas. And the voltage applied to the motor represents the temperature of the gas. Slowly increase the voltage. You can see that the piston is raised. What does it mean? If we add some polystyrene plates onto the piston, the height of the piston drops. What does it mean? Now, increase the voltage applied to the motor. Adjust the number of polystyrene plates on the piston to keep it at the same height. What does the above step demonstrate? Lastly, put a table tennis ball inside the cylinder. The ball represents a smoke particle. Restart the motor and observe the motion of the table tennis ball. Can you describe its motion?